Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, hello, my name is Rebecca and I hope you're having a great, fantastic day. Now, as you guys know, roughly around this time of year or the month before, or maybe even the month before that, beauty influencers and YouTubers love to review beauty advent calendars. I absolutely am obsessed in watching beauty advent calendars be unboxed. I think they're just such fun, great videos. I know Autoria, she's very well known for that on YouTube, like reviewing and unboxing advent calendars. Sophie Louise, she likes to unbox advent calendars but likes to try the products on her face. Her videos are so much fun to watch. I'll link both of their channels down below if you want to check them out. Originally, I was going to review the Revolution advent calendar. I'll pop it on screen here, but so many YouTubers and beauty influencers have already reviewed this advent calendar and they've done such a great job on it, but I wanted to do something a little bit different. So instead, I'm going to be reviewing the Superdrug Vegan Box. So basically this box contains loads of different products. So it contains eyeshadows, bronzers, even a face cloth. It contains loads of beauty products and beauty accessories. Now this product, I did get this on the Black Friday sale. It did have like a plastic strip on it, but my fiance accidentally broke it. I'll pop it on screen here so I'll show you guys what it actually looks like. So it's basically 3 drawers of beauty products. Now, as you can see, my face is completely bare because in the next video, I'm actually going to be trying the products on my face. But today in this video, I'm just going to pretty much open the drawers and show you guys what's inside these drawers. So if you guys are going to enjoy this video, please don't forget to give me a thumbs up, please don't forget to subscribe and turn that notification bell so you get notified by every single makeup video I do here on this channel. Don't forget to follow me on Instagram if you want to, link is in the description bar below. So if you guys want to see what's inside the Superdrug Vegan Box, just keep watching. This Superdrug Vegan Box originally was £100 and it went down to £40 on the Black Friday sale. So £100 is quite a lot of money for a few makeup products, but £40 I thought was quite reasonable, especially if it says that you get a lot of makeup and beauty accessories inside. So the first thing we're going to talk about is the packaging. This feels really sturdy. Unfortunately mine's a little bit dented on the top. I think my fiance dropped it or something, but I think he might have caught it. But the packaging feels really sturdy. You can definitely reuse this. Once you've used all the products inside, you can use this for like your hair accessories, your jewellery, or even your makeup. But the packaging feels really sturdy and I love the fact you can just reuse it again. Okay, so let's crack into the first drawer, which is right here. I haven't opened the products or anything, so this is exactly how they came. So, ooh. So they come in nice tissue paper, so it's nicely presented. Okay, so I've just laid it in front of me so that way I can take the products out. So I'm going to show you guys what you get in the first drawer. Okay, so let's open the first one. So the first thing you get is a loose powder. Okay, so this is what it looks like here. Yeah, it's definitely like a banana sort of shade. So this is not very universal. Not everyone is going to be able to use this sort of tone. Yeah, it's not every day you get a loose powder inside a box, so I guess that's pretty cool. I kind of wish with that powder, I wish it was actually a translucent and not like a tinted colour, because that way everyone can use it. But it's still pretty cool to have a powder inside the beauty box. Okay, so the next product, so it's all been wrapped in tissue paper. We have, oh, it's a cream blush. Okay. So this is what the colour looks like. So it's like a really nice peachy, orangey colour. You probably could use this on your lips as well as like a tinted bit of colour. It's a very pretty colour. Okay, next product you get is, it feels like a pencil. Oh, okay. So you get a mascara, a liner, oh, it's got a little ball inside that, and a gel. So this is the mascara. So I think it's just a simple, yeah, it's just a very simple bristly kind of brush. So it's very, very simple. And this is the eyeliner you get. So it's sort of like a felt tip pen kind of eyeliner. And this is the brow gel that you get. In the next compartment, you get 2 lip glosses. So you've got like an orangey colour and a purpley colour. So this is what they both look like. So you have the purpley colour and you have a very nice orangey carrot kind of colour. This was underneath the lip glosses, so we'll see what it is. Oh, that's really cool. You actually get false lashes in here. So you get like really like spiky, volumizing kind of lashes, like lengthening lashes. Looks like you've got some natural everyday lashes and you've got some very, very sort of very natural lengthening eyelashes. So you've got 3 pairs of eyelashes there. And there's 2 products left in the first drawer. So let's see what they are. So cool. So you have a face palette. Oh, sorry. This is the face palette. And this is an eyeshadow palette. So you have for face and eyes. So this is what the eyeshadow palette on the front looks like. These are sort of colours you get. So you get some very nice warm tone colours. You've got like a cranberry colour in there. These are very sort of autumn kind of colours, like very pumpkin, very warm orange colours. And you can pop the eyeshadows out as well, which I think is really cool. So it says on the back as well that this packaging is completely recyclable, which is amazing. So you can recycle this packaging. There's no mirror in it, obviously, because of recycling reasons. But I really like the colours and I think it's a really cool palette. So this is what the face palette looks like. This is the face one. That's so cool. And inside you've got some highlight colours, some bronzy colours, a very nice, really cool peachy colour here. So these are the colours you get inside. It says on the back of it, there's 2 blushes, 2 bronzers and 2 highlighters. I think with this palette you could definitely pull it off for like slightly my sort of skin tone to tan kind of skin tones. There's definitely something there for tanned. I'm not too sure really about deeper skin. I don't think deeper skin are going to be able to pull this off, which is a shame. But it looks like a very beautiful palette. I think it looks really, really nice. Okay, there's only 1 item in that second drawer, so let's see. It feels like a makeup bag. Yeah, it's a makeup bag. But it feels like there's brushes inside it. Oh, no way. There is brushes inside it. I did feel like there was something in there. But, well, this is the little pouch anyway. Well, makeup bag or pouch. So it's kind of cute. It's just a simple pink bag. So it is nice for keeping brushes or maybe a little bit of makeup inside. So yeah, this is quite a nice little makeup bag. So it's very simple. It's pink. And yeah, I think it's really cool. So here are the makeup brushes. So this is what it looks like. So you've got a highlighting fan brush, or you can use it for like sweeping powder away. This is a really nice, like a powder sort of brush for like applying powder, or you can use it for like maybe adding blusher or something. You can these brushes are very versatile. You can use them for so many different things. Oh, this looks like a really nice sort of stippling brush. So nice for applying, maybe for applying foundation. It's a bit soft for applying foundation. Maybe nice for applying blusher on there, perhaps. Like this could be used for contour. Like you could use these brushes for so many different things. Oh yeah, and you've got the iconic angled brush. Really nice for sharp contouring and defining. So they feel really nice. They feel like really nice quality. It's in this sort of like pink rose packaging. It does feel really good. I can't see any bristles coming out of it, so these look like really good quality. So these are the face brushes and these are the eye brushes. So you've got a really nice angle brush, really nice for doing the eyebrows or sharpening around your eyebrows for like concealer. You've got, I love this kind of brush. It's an eyelash eyebrow brush. So you can use this to brush the eyebrows and use this for the lashes. So when you put mascara on, it helps to separate them. This brush is so handy, really handy brush. And then you've got a little flat packing on brush. This will be quite nice for like underneath the eyes, or really packing on colour in the inner corner, or doing like a nose contour or something, because it's got that really nice flat shape to it, and it's really firm as well, so really good for that. You've got a sort of concealer brush, or use it for cream contour. This could be used for highlighting as well, so this is a very versatile brush. And then you've got just a fluffy packing on brush, or you could blend this in the crease, but I probably would use this to pack colours on the lid. And lastly, you get a spoolie as well. Oh, spoolies are really, really handy. So you have a spoolie there. The only thing I'd say about the brushes is, I would personally, as much as I love this kind of brush, I personally would swap this out for like an eye blending brush. So that way you've got something for the brows. You've got like two brushes for the brows, and then the rest of it's all for eyes. That's all I would say really, because these two are pretty much used, like this tip here and this is used for the brows. So that's all I'd say really. I'd kind of wish they did swap out this maybe just for an eye blending brush really, so a nice fluffy eye blending brush. So that's all I'd say really, but these brushes feel like they're in really, really good quality. They're not heavy or anything, so they do feel very light, but they do feel like they're in really nice quality. Okay, now we're going to the last drawer, which is pretty much the makeup accessories. So the first thing I'm going to pull out is a makeup hairband. This is one of these things that you use to put your hair back so you can do your makeup, or you can use this for your face masks as well when you're doing a little pamper. So yeah, so you've got like one of these, and then you've got one of those magic eraser cloths. Oh, these are so handy to have. I love having these for removing your makeup after you've had a long day. You just wipe it and it takes everything off. So these are super great, and they're ideal for washing as well. Actually, can you wash these? Yeah, so you can you can wash these in the washing machine, but you just can't tumble dry them. But oh my god, it feels so soft, so it's so nice to have another one of those. We have something else in tissue paper. Oh, that's so cool. Hair clips. So we've got two different designs here. I don't know why they've done two different designs. I kind of wish they kind of done the same design, but these are so cool for putting your hair back, so for doing your makeup. So these are kind of cool. These are kind of cool that we've got like two hair clips. So they pretty much got a nice design. I'll bring them closer so you can see. So this is what the hair clips, so this is what they both look like. We have something else wrapped in paper. Oh, so we have eyelash curlers and tweezers. Well, you can never go wrong with tweezers when you're plucking your eyebrows or doing your eyelashes, so you can't go wrong with that. And eyelash curlers are handy as well. So we've got these two, and another thing wrapped in tissue paper. It's a little mirror. It's so dinky. It's not a zoom in mirror though. It's not the ones that magnifies your face. That's kind of cool. Look how dinky it is. It's cute. It's so cute. And this is the last thing in the drawer. Oh, that's quite pretty. So you've got like a actual hairband. So it's actually really pretty. Oh my god, they're little flowers. Oh, let me bring it closer. I'm not too sure how well you guys are going to be able to see the design, but they're pretty much, they look like little beaded flowers. It's really pretty. It's like a really pretty hairband. So, well, that's really, really cool. Okay, the only thing I'd say about the beauty drawer is I don't know why the clips aren't the same design. You know, I wish they kind of were the same, like symmetrical. And this hairband, as much as how cute it is, it's not the best quality hairband. Like, I can still see some of the threading on this side here. So it's not the best quality, but it is pretty. Like, it's a really pretty sort of hairband you can just wear in everyday life, or use this to put your hair back. There's quite a lot of hair back putting products, isn't there? Like, you've got this, which is actually versatile. You can use it for like cream products, can you, this hairband? You've got this. You've got the hair clips. I kind of wish they swapped it for something else. So maybe keep this, because this is cute. I mean, this isn't going to be everyone's colour or design. I kind of wish maybe they sort of maybe kept this, or the hair clips, or I would say maybe just keep this, or maybe just this. So basically, one of the hair putting back products, keep one of them and swap them both for something else, like a different product. So maybe like a brush cleaner, or a makeup, like an actual makeup remover. Actually no, because you've got the cloth, haven't you? So maybe, I don't know, maybe like a, as I said, maybe like a brush cleanser, or a setting spray. We haven't had a setting spray yet. Yeah, just swap it out for 2 more products basically. The mirror's cute, and the eyelash curlers and the tweezers. They're really ideal. They're quite ideal. But yeah, that's all I'd say in the beauty box really. It's just, I kind of wish they just swapped one of these hair putting back products and swapped it for 2 different ones. That's all I would say really. Okay guys, so that's everything inside the Superdrug Vegan Box for Christmas. Now, £100 is a lot of money. It's a lot of money. I wouldn't personally pay £100 for the box. But for £40, yeah, that's a bit more of a better price. Definitely a bit more. Definitely for the packaging wise and what you get. I've already given my thoughts on each drawer. So the first drawer being like, I wish the powder was a translucent powder so everyone can use it. And maybe, I don't know, maybe just including more deeper shades. Maybe making the face palette a little bit bigger so it includes some colours for deeper skin. Or bringing out another box specifically for like light skin and then deeper skin. Basically, that was my first thoughts on the first drawer. The second drawer was basically the brush. I just sort of wish they swapped it out for a blending brush. And the third drawer was the hair pushing back products. I kind of wish they just substituted 2 of them. I just realised a beauty sponge would have been quite nice if they swapped it out for that. That would have been quite handy, because we all love our beauty sponges. They are, sorry, beauty blending sponges, sorry. They are really handy to have in our collection, and I quite like the Superdrug ones as well, especially their B range. Their ones are quite nice but firm. So I kind of wish they swapped it out for that perhaps. So the box for £40 is not bad. I just wouldn't pay £100 for it. So in the next video, I'm going to be trying all the products on, so stay tuned for that. But yeah, that's my honest thoughts, guys. That's my thoughts on the Superdrug Vegan Box. So I really hope you guys have enjoyed this video. If you have, please don't forget to give me a thumbs up. Please don't forget to subscribe and turn that notification bell so you get notified by every single makeup video I do here on this channel. Don't forget to follow me on Instagram if you want to. Link is in the description bar below. Thank you guys so much for watching. Have a great day. Stay safe. And I'll see you all in my next video. Bye guys. Take care.